Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for APA formatting in Word. I do want to note that I am using a Mac version of Word, and that the PC Windows version of Word may look a little different, but will still have the same controls. To begin, I like to start with formatting my margins. To do this, we're going to go up to the top left-hand side of the screen, click on Format, and then Document. For APA 7, the margin should be 1 inch all the way around, so top, bottom, left, and right. The gutter should be left at 0, and you want to make sure this is applied to the whole document. Next, we're going to add in the page numbers. The easiest way to do this is to go up to the top of the page and double-click to open up the header. Next, we're going to go to the left-hand side of the toolbar and click on Page Number. Your page number should be aligned to the right, and you want to make sure the box is marked next to Show Number on First Page. This way, the title page is numbered as well. If you look on the right-hand side, you'll see your page number. For every page that follows, they'll be numbered in chronological order. New for APA 7 is that the running head is no longer required. However, your professor may request that you include one. So please check your rubrics and with your professor to see what they request. If you do need to include a running head, the phrase running head is no longer required. You just start with the running head. The running head should be less than 50 characters. It should be in all caps and should also include the first part of the title of your essay. However, it does not need to match word for word. For example, for this essay, our running head is going to be APA formatting, student paper. Next, to see how many characters your running head is, you can highlight it and go up to the top and click Review. Next, on the left-hand side of the toolbar, next to the Spelling and Grammar button, we're going to click on the button that says 1, 2, 3. This will tell you how many characters your running head is. Next, we're going to finish formatting the title page. To begin, you want to press Enter 4 times. Next, we're going to set up the line spacing. For APA 7, the title page as well as the rest of the essay should be double spaced. To do this, we're going to go up to the top left-hand side of the screen. We're going to click on Format and then Paragraph. We're going to go down to Spacing and then Line Spacing. This should be set for double. Your title page should also be centered. For APA 7, the most common font used is Times New Roman 12. However, there are other options as well. Please check with your rubrics and your professor to see what type of font they would like you to use. For this essay, we're going to use Times New Roman 12. The first element of your title page is the title of your essay. The title of your essay should be bolded. Next would be your full name, followed by the department for which you're writing the essay for and the name of the college. For example, if you were writing an essay for English, you would write Department of English, Yavapai College. Next is the course number, followed by the course name. Again, if you were taking an English class, it could be English 101, Intro to English. Next would be the name of your professor, followed by the date for which the assignment is due. APA 7th edition student paper does not require an author's note or an abstract. However, your professor may request one. Please check your rubrics and with your professor to see what you need to include. If you need to include an author's note, you would begin by pressing Enter 1 time. Write the word author's note. Author's note should be bolded and centered. To begin your author's note, you want to make sure your page is aligned to the left and you want to indent once. Next is when you'll have your abstract. Your abstract is the second page of your essay. To begin, you start with the word abstract. The word abstract should be centered and bolded. It should also be in the same font that your essay is going to be in. So for this one is Times New Roman 12. Your abstract should be less than 250 words and should also not be indented. It should just be left aligned. Now it's time for the actual essay. To begin your essay, you want to make sure that your title of your essay is on the first page. Your title of your essay should be centered and bolded and in the same font you're using for the rest of your essay. Again, your whole essay should be double-spaced, just like the title page. Finally, we're going to format our reference page. If you're using more than one reference, then you'll put references. The word references should be bolded and centered. It should also be in the same font you're using for the rest of your essay. Next, we'll format our references. Your references should be in the same font as well, so Times New Roman 12. Your references should also be double spaced. To do this, we're going to go up to the top on the left-hand side and click on Format and then Paragraph. Next, we're going to go down to spacing and then line spacing. This should be set for double. Next, our references should also have a hanging indent. To do this, we're going to go up to the top on the left-hand side and click on Format and Paragraph. We're going to go down to Indentation and then Special. This should be set to hanging. Next, the references should be in ABC order. We're going to go up to the top toolbar, and there's a button that says AZ with the arrow down. We're going to click there. We want this to be sorted by paragraphs. We want this to be ascending. This will put your references in ABC order. If you have any questions about APA formatting or need help with APA formatting, visit the Learning Center at www.yc.edu/v6/learning-center/. Here, there are drop-in English tutors as well as online writing tutors. To contact the Prescott Campus Learning Center, call 928-776-2085 or email prescottlearningcenter@yc.edu. For the Verde Valley Campus Learning Center, call 928-634-6562 or email verdelearningcenter@yc.edu.